Well, I'd like to give you a warm welcome back to this guy's garage. Today's video is a little bit about coming full circle. I'm in the motorhome where this guy's garage got started. It all started with a flying drive. So I got in an airplane and I drove this 900 miles home from Montreal. I got in an airplane to buy this. First impressions of the old Fleury. I'm a little nervous. So far, it goes down the road all right, stops good, goes good. God help me, I hope I make it home. This is bad. Clutch fan just blew apart. Took out the radiator. And looks like took out the water pump with it. Ruh-roh raggy. I'm out of my mind.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
So she's pretty ugly inside. The plan is to do a remodel. Gut it out. Start new. Well, not really gut it out, but fix what needs to be fixed. Freshen it up. Make it look like it was done in the century. Clean it up and make a fun family rig. Maybe the ultimate goal would be to a more modern V8 engine out of maybe a Savannah van. A 6-liter would be excellent in this. But we'll see how it treats me. But right now, as you can see, it's pretty ugly inside. But that's just cosmetics. It's a lot of cosmetics, but it's just cosmetics, just the same. But we're going to fix this up. We're going to make it nice. It's going to be good for our family, and we're going to have lots of fun with it. So my dad taught me 2 things about carpentry. Well, actually, he only taught me 1 thing. Measure twice and cut once. I can't seem to get past measure twice and cut 3 times. But anyways, nevertheless. And the other thing he let me know when quite early on. I was like lightning with a hammer. So hammer and nails are my friends. So I picked up a crown nailer to do this job, and so that's what we're using to get all this. I'm no carpenter. I hope you didn't come here for carpentry advice, because I am no carpenter. But anyways, let me show you what I'm doing. So, trimming out the windows, trimming out the ceiling where I'll I guess, what do you call this? It's what do you call it? I don't know. Wainscoting. Wainscoting. So, right now I got all the wainscoting up where it needs to go, and now I'm trimming it out. And we'll get all this painted. The wife is going to paint this. And get all the trim work done, and we'll be good to go. So get all this nailed up, get the dash in for the final time, and I can start laying some flooring down. So that's where I'm at. This ain't a how-to video. Show you around the outside. So I picked up some wheels for it. Got to get the grill painted up, the bumper painted up, get a polish on the outside. Doing some cutting. Installing an inverter. 3,000 watt. If you got any questions, let me know. All the trim work's done. We were planning on putting a transformation kit on here, but I think we're just gonna clean them up and use them as is for this year. And all the wall paneling's on, it's all trimmed out. And get the painting done and we can start locking things down. stay tuned for next week so we can get some painting done, get some flooring down, and we'll get back at it. So until the next time, thanks for stopping by this guy's garage. You can hit the subscribe button right there. We're on the countdown to 1,000. So if you could ring that bell, it would really help us out. And you can watch another video here, and here. So until next time, this guy out.
This guy's garage. Like and subscribe.